It's easy to customize NxtNote to capture exactly the data you need. Click on the Themes tab and start adding your themes like strengths, weaknesses, and challenges. When done, return back to the session and you see your themes displaying with a radio button beside each one. To capture a strength, click on the radio button and start entering your comment. But we forgot something. You need to know which person has this strength. Click on the Custom Lists tab. We're going to create a list of team members by copying their names into our custom list. Now we need to go back to Themes and edit the Strengths and Weaknesses theme to include a field we're going to call Team Members. We will then apply the team member custom list to this new field. This field is required, meaning if a team member is not selected, the attendee will not be able to print. You can make any field non-required if necessary. Now, when we click Strengths, there is an additional field, and we must select from the drop-down list in order to print. In addition, if the participant wants to be anonymous, they can simply click on the Anonymous button before printing. To enter a strength, click on the Strength radio button and enter your comment. Then click on Print. Oops, something isn't right. Remember we added the team member field and said it was required? The system will not allow you to print without providing the name. You collect data in exactly the format you need. The NxtNote is now printed on a letter-sized paper in large enough font to be seen from across the room. Notice that the NxtNote also prints the name of who typed it, theme name, and other information in the upper left corner. One of the other attendees is also capturing a strength and will print it out. Dozens or even hundreds of people could be entering their ideas at the same time from anywhere in the world. All they need is a web browser. If you had a remote team in another part of the world, attendees could also print simultaneously to both locations. The data is also captured in the History pane, where it can be recalled and edited at any time. In no time at all, dozens of ideas are coming off the printer, and you're engaging the team in record time. Once the NxtNotes are printed, place them on the appropriate flip chart. Since each NxtNote also has the theme printed, it's easy to identify where they go. You can use an iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, or any smartphone to capture your data. It works just the same way. You select your theme, then you enter the data, choose your team member, and then click on Print. Out comes the NxtNote on the printer. It's now ready to be placed on the flip charts like all the others, available for further team discussion. Once the workshop is over, you can scan the NxtNotes into any application. Here we're using Word. As fast as you can pull the trigger, the data is captured 100% error-free. Imagine no more handwriting hieroglyphics to try to interpret. Next, we'll capture this same data into Excel. You can scan into Project, PowerPoint, Visio, essentially any application. Your documents are available to the team within minutes, rather than the hours or even days it's taking now. You can scan Post-it notes with multiple captured fields into an Excel workbook to create professional reports in just minutes. Thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this video. We've only introduced you to a few of the benefits of NxtNote, and we know you'll want to know more. Please contact us for a customized online demo.